Okay guys, today's install time. We are going to be installing a swivel screen mount in our cars that I got off AliExpress for $48. So before we get to that, I want to say thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing as usual. And let's get to it. All right, y'all, so these are how the brackets came. Nice, sleek, black packaging, 15 degrees up and down, 30 degrees left and right, which is nice. Inside, we're gonna have instructions, which are all in English. That was a plus. Underneath this foam piece, we're gonna have our metal bracket. This thing was sturdy. Then you're gonna have your bracket cover, which is in a nice charcoal gray. I love that. All of the tools that you're gonna need, and another cover for the back of the screen. All right, let's get started. So I put all of my tools in my cup holder, and I used a microfiber towel to put on my center console to lay the screen on. So I used this trim piece remover, just pop that bad boy right out. I removed the temperature sensor. Then it's gonna be a 10 millimeter screw, so I just used a socket wrench, and it made it a lot easier for me instead of the tool provided. And once you get both of these out, you just kind of jimmy the screen off like so. Then we have your hex screw remover tool, to where I'm going to take off the bracket on the back of the screen here. It's just 2 in the back, super easy. And pop that right off. And then all you got to do is just unplug the screen. Voila! So now actually installing the swivel mount, you're just going to insert it as so. Make sure it's evenly aligned into the holes and screw back on your OEM 10 millimeter screws with the socket wrench. I screwed these on one by one halfway, and then once they're both in there, I tighten them completely. And for the cover piece, you're just gonna wanna thread your wires through and rotate the bracket to the left or to the right. It's easier to apply this way. And use the screws and little screwdriver provided to secure the bracket. Now for the bracket on the back of the screen, you're going to want to thread your wire through and plug in your screen. Then plug in the hex screws with the tool provided. Once again, I only screwed each side halfway on, and then once they're both on, I fully tightened them. Once that's finished, you're going to want to insert your screen onto your mount like so, aligning the holes. And then screw in the last 2 screws. These were black screws that had blue on it with the tool provided. At this point, I realized I should have stretched before all them angles. Now we're going to detach the temperature sensor from the old mount. Also, I found my girlfriend's wallet we've been looking for since Valentine's Day, and it was under the passenger seat. We looked there like 4 times. Moving on, we are going to attach the temperature sensor to the new mount. Plug it in and attach it back onto the mount cover. I gave the screen one final wipe down and made sure it was fully attached, and then restarted the car. If you guys don't know how to do this, you just press down on the 2 buttons on the steering wheel until you see the T. And there we have it, guys, the moment of truth. Completely fully installed. Boom! And there you have it, guys, the final product. 15 degrees up and down, 30 degrees left and right. Now this does lower your screen about 1.5 to 2 inches, but that doesn't bother me at all. I think it's absolutely perfect. All right, everybody. Thank you again for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Let me know what you guys think below. Not bad for $48. Like always, have a blessed day and take care.